Okay, here's the dehumidifier, LG Dehumidifier. I put a TV stand at the bottom to get it elevated, with some clamps so it doesn't roll off. Clamps in the back. And then I use clamps on the door, because then you want to have the gravity take the water. Another clamp here. Then it comes right in here, and I put a little tie strap in here so it doesn't move. So there comes some water. Tie strap right there so it doesn't move anywhere. The key is making sure that the water drains and that the elevation makes it down. And that's it. It's about 60% humidity, and it says that it's, according to this, it's 57% humidity. So this actually works. Make sure that the elevation looks good. That looks good. That's it.